Hi everyone, so this is my photo book of choice by Lars Turnbjork. You'll notice it's kind of fast because it's a huge book. I had to speed it up double time in order to fit it all into 4 minutes. And yeah, it turned out really nicely. This is a beautiful book. I'm so excited to add this to my collection. I really appreciate the black and white photos to start, and then we kind of turn into these color photos. And I also appreciate that the location is listed with every photo. As far as handling the book, it's a really heavy book. It's not exactly easy to handle, but it is like satisfying because it is such a large book and large like collection of like his overall work. Gosh, the sequencing in this is just phenomenal. You'll look at one picture and then you'll turn to the next and you'll notice like little things like the reds, and there's one in particular where it's a dirty snowman, and then the next page the little boy has like the same expression on its face, and it's just very cleverly sequenced, and it really made the experience of the photo book enjoyable. My personal response to the book is I felt very inspired after looking at this. One photo in particular that inspired me was there's this John Wayne cutout, and it just so happens that there's a John Wayne cutout like at my work, and I thought that was kind of serendipitous, so I decided to include that in my own photo book. Yep, right there. You can see that I'm pointing it out, and yeah, it was really an interesting thing to see. To answer the question, does the object of the book feel important to the experience? I would say absolutely yes. Yeah, just having this book and like being able to see each page and the overwhelming amount of amazing photos that this artist has made was really cool to see sequenced together. I'm not sure if the artist sequenced these himself, because he did pass away in 2015, or if someone else sequenced them for him for this book. But regardless, it's an amazing book. So yeah, a little bit about like the extra research I did about Lars. He was known for photographing his suburban life and unique like work settings in New York City, like in the 80s and 90s. Oh, there's that snowman photo and little boy photo I was talking about before. But anyway, yeah, he was known for just picking out like really bizarre things in the everyday life, and yeah, it's really interesting. Yeah, and to analyze like the quality of the images in the book and how it felt in my hands, it was a very satisfying book to hold. The pages were really smooth. You'll catch me in this video like touching the pages, and the image quality was spectacular. 10 out of 10. And yeah, this was my little recording. There's stories here and text, and this is the end of it pretty much. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.